The function that the patient's experiences and emotions play in the psychotherapy process is strongly emphasized in the experiential therapy. Instead of just talking about difficulties and worries, experiential therapy aims to help patients from a more visceral connection with their feelings and sensations. Using techniques like role-playing, art therapy, music therapy, and other expressive arts may enable people to express themselves more fully and deeply. Experiential therapy is an approach to mental health treatment that emphasizes the importance of engaging in hands-on experiential activities to explore and process emotions, thoughts, and behaviors. People who battle difficulties like trauma, depression, anxiety, interpersonal challenges, and addiction frequently benefit from this therapy method. It provides an alternative method of communication, which is particularly advantageous for those who have trouble expressing their feelings verbally. Although it can be used in individual therapy sessions, experiential therapy is typically conducted in a group context. A number of exercises or activities designed to facilitate the safe and supportive exploration and processing of emotions may be led by the therapist with the participants. Here are 10 experiential therapy techniques on how it can be applied in a therapeutic environment. Firstly, there is psychodrama. Role-playing techniques like psychodrama let people explore the facets of who they are and how they interact with others. Art therapy, utilizing art supplies like paint, clay, or markers as a way of self-expression and exploration is called art therapy. Music therapy. Music is used as therapeutic aid in music therapy. For instance, a therapist might play music to help a patient unwind or encourage emotional expressiveness. Play therapy. A type of treatment called play therapy encourages communication and self-expression via play. Toys or games, for instance, might be used by therapists to assist a child in expressing their feelings or overcoming difficult circumstances. Equine therapy. Working with horses in equine therapy encourages emotional healing and personal development. For instance, a therapist could guide a client through tasks like leading or grooming a horse. Adventure therapy, where adventure therapy encourages self-awareness and personal development by participating in outdoor activities. Dance or movement therapy, the use of movement as a way of self-expression and discovery is a component of dance and movement therapy. Mindfulness-based therapy. In mindfulness-based therapy, mindfulness meditation encourages rest, reduces stress, and increases emotional awareness. Drama therapy. Using acting and theatre skills in drama therapy allows for self-expression and discovery. And lastly, Gestalt therapy. To encourage self-awareness and personal development, Gestalt therapy employs experiential procedures. A therapist might use a guided visualization exercise to assist a patient in connecting with their feelings or inner experiences. To learn more about experiential therapy, check out our guide on our Carepatron platform or check out our guides playlist for more information like this. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.